guys, it's Flower Power AG here. Thank you so much for watching my videos, but I want to say a big thanks to some other girls who are fans, and I really appreciate them. It's
Lily and Gracie.
Shout out to you guys are amazing. But anyway, today we're going to be making super squishy stress balls. These are super easy to make, and they're easy items that you can find at your house. Making our balloons, first of all, and they're super easy to find maybe at your local pharmacy or grocery store. I found these at my grocery store, and they came in so many different colors, some sparkly, some clear.
And you're going to be needing a sink.
First, you're going to start by filling up your balloon with water. Tie it off, and you're done with your stress ball. I love it. You can also add glitter to it if you prefer. It's so fun to squish, and it really relieves my stress. And if you like this video, or if it was helpful to you, please comment, like, or subscribe. Thank you for watching, and you just watched the Flower Power AG production.